every participant will get 400 win token early access. When that is like, this website will give you a claim option. You will do claim this 400 win that I already did that, but I will show you today how to you did that. Please more Ethereum and stable coins here to get more pre-token. Win is already listed. If I search on Google, what Google will show you, let's go to see win token. If I search win token price, win price today, win to USDT. If I go to coin market, any marketplace of cryptocurrency, those platform will show you what is the price of win. So whatever price that is, doesn't matter, maybe it is not native, but today I will show you how to get 400 win, that is pre-token of their website. Like Uniswap give you uni token, AFA give you AFA, like there was like a lot of airdrop has gone like 3 years ago, 2 years ago. So win token already my balance, see, that is website. If I refresh, that is not a screenshot. I get this thing. How do you get this thing? I will show you. My balance is loading right now. Here we see my balance is 400 win token. When they will update you, like when they will give you a claim option, like Aptos, like Mafia, like Stucknet, those kind of thing. So you will see today how to join. So to doing join, you need to come into my Telegram. I already posted this link there. I will not put this link in description of this video, and you need to come into this Telegram and joining after Telegram. You can get this link totally easily. So where you will find this link, check out comment of this video, and click on this link. And after that, what is the process? First of all, need to see. So first thing first, copy this link or click on this link and go to your browser. So I select this browser, and here we go. Which place they will go, like no fucking, like no fucking programming, any kind of complicated thing here is. Notice that, go where this link is going to you, and joining this airdrop, you will get 400 win. They will give you a climb option, and after that you will get this whatever place you can exchange this thing, because this token has value. First thing first, connect wallet and sign. After that, number second, saying connect your Twitter account. Number three, join exchange Discord, and bam, done. You will get 400 win token, that is early access. So first thing first, click on connect. To be eligible, your wallet address should have at least one Ethereum mainnet transaction. I haven't. I already done that. My one wallet has transaction. So keep in mind, your wallet address should have at least one Ethereum mainnet transaction. Okay, maybe you have, and okay, I will try that. If it is work, better. If it is not, I will just show you how to, because I already done on account, and I do on account. I don't group organization, some crypto platform, they check. You just put your time effectively. So click on sign anyways. And after that, three dot option, scroll, going to MetaMask, and whatever MetaMask want to you, like, do adoption that, do accept those things, and switch to network Ethereum, going to tab option, and going this inactive wallet. The connected wallet is not qualified. Please connect a wallet with at least one transaction on the Ethereum mainnet. Okay, so what you will do if you face this problem? Do transaction. Maybe it will take some, you know, it will take some gas fee, that is huge amount gas fee. But if it is not, I could say it could be, like, it could be profitable, because they, if their token value, if their token value is 50 cent, 500, if I do calculate 500, 50 cent, 0.50, and x 400 token, $200 you will get. So anyways, like, if you feel that it is profitable, it's up to you, it's depend upon you what you will do. And if you have transaction, maybe all airdropper has NFT, they did like, they participate, before a lot of, they did some smart contracts with Ethereum, and they they used Ethereum to doing transaction before. You can easily participate here to gain early access 400 win. So anyways, I already get that here, my balance is already 400